The syntax may be a bit overwhelming. So here's an application of how we use Vlookup, which will help you better understand of how this function actually operates. Here is a dataset of a bunch of people with names, sex, age, and date of birth. Now, we want to find what is Rahul's age using the Vlookup function. We have two solutions to this problem. The first approach is using cell references, and the second approach is using unique values within quotes. Let's go through them one by one. Using Vlookup with cell references. To begin the function, we write an equal to sign followed by Vlookup. The first value within the brackets is B8. B8 mentions Rahul, the value that we actually want to look up. We then mention the table array, which is from A1 until D6. This includes the complete table of data that we need. We then mention cell reference B9, which mentions which is a column that we actually want to look up. In our case, we want to find out the age of Rahul, which is in column 3. And finally, for the range lookup, we mention false, as we want the exact value of Rahul's age. After closing the brackets, we hit enter. You'll notice the response is 42, which is Rahul's age from the Vlookup table. In case you want to Vlookup using actual data instead of cell references, this is how you would approach. Equal to sign, Vlookup. Then the first value within the brackets will be within quotes Rahul, followed by the table array, which is A1 until D6, followed by the column index number, which is 3 in this case, since we are looking up at his age. Do note that we cannot include it within an inverted quotes. This is a numerical value. Finally, we mention false as a range lookup, since we need the exact age of Rahul. We then close the brackets and hit enter. We receive the response the same as in our previous approach as 42, which is Rahul's age.